Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are excited to offer this superb low-mileage Honda CB125F. Registered the 6th of November 2024 on a 74 plate with only 475 miles and presented in Imperial Red Metallic. The Honda CB125 is a versatile and reliable 125cc motorcycle that ticks all the boxes for those looking for an affordable, efficient commuter and for taking their first steps into the world of motorcycling. With its lightweight design and effortless maneuverability, it's perfect for navigating city streets. Add in outstanding fuel economy and easy-to-read LCD display which includes fuel gauge, RPM counter and a handy gear indicator, and you've got a bike that's as practical as it is enjoyable. Affordable to run and easy to maintain, this little gem won't be around for long. Grab it while you can. This dependable learner legal will leave us serviced where required and benefits from the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional peace of mind. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee, applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01 424 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.